Samples can be added to a plate in PlateLogic by highlighting them in the file inspector and dragging them into the plate. However, plates can also automatically be built and the samples from a folder added to that plate by right-clicking on the folder in the File Navigator. In addition, if the sample name is the well ID, then the sample can be placed in the corresponding location according to its name. So, to build a plate, regardless of the well ID, right-click on the experiment folder and select Build Plate. This will create a new plate in PlateLogic, and the samples will be loaded in the order defined in the program preferences, in this case horizontally. Alternatively, to build a plate considering the well ID, right-click on the experiment folder and choose Build Plate with Well ID. It is important to note that the well ID must be displayed as the file name and not just contained within the file itself. Various renaming options can be accessed by right-clicking on a sample and choosing Rename. It is also possible to build a plate that displays the plots that form the gating hierarchy. To build this type of plate, right-click on the experiment folder and choose either Build Plate with Hierarchy or Build Plate with Images. The difference being, if you build with hierarchy, each level of the hierarchy will be defined as a different data set. So here I have a plate that displays every plot in the experiment folder, with each column representing a different file and each row a different level of the hierarchy. And if a gate is adjusted, images in the plate will also update.